This video I will explain how to earn money using Paytm. First, you have to understand one important point. Paytm is not a job platform. Paytm is a digital payments app. This means you do not earn money just by using Paytm. You earn money by using Paytm features and services smartly. Now we will see how to earn using cashback offers. Cashback means you get some money back after making a payment. How it works? You pay bills, electricity, mobile recharge or DTH. You scan and pay at shops. You use special offers. Then Paytm gives small rewards and cashback amounts. Now we will see the real life example. You do mobile recharge for 200 rupees. You get 20 rupees cashback. So you actually spend only 180 rupees. How to earn through Paytm Refer and Earn. Refer and Earn means inviting others to use Paytm. How it works? You share your referral link. Your friend signs up. They complete a transaction. You get a reward. Real life example. You invite 5 friends. Each successful referrals gives 100 rupees reward. So you earn 500 rupees. How to earn by becoming a merchant. If you run a shop or business, you can accept payments using Paytm. How it works? Customers pay using QR code. You receive the money instantly. How you can earn? More customers prefer digital payments, so your sales increases. Real life example. A small tea shop accepts a Paytm. More people buy because the payment is easy. Business income increases. How to earn by selling products on Paytm. Paytm offers shopping and ticket booking services. You can sell products and you can also promote deals. For example, you sell mobile accessories. Customers pay through Paytm. You can earn profit from sales. How to earn using Paytm Soundbox or devices. Paytm provides devices like Soundbox. What is Soundbox? A small speaker that says payment received. How it helps? This builds customers' trust and faster payments lead to more sales. More sales means more income. How to earn through Paytm business loans. Paytm offers small business loans. How it helps? You get money to grow business. You invest in stock or services. Earn more profit. This is not direct earning but helps to increase the income. How to earn via affiliate or promotion. You can promote Paytm offers, Paytm deals and earn commission. For example, you share a deal online. People use your link. You earn a small commission. Important things to remember. Cashback is not fixed income. Your earnings depends on usage and activity. You should avoid fake apps or scams promising daily income. You always use official Paytm features. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.